Hello, I am Courtney Larvadane. Welcome to Mackie Lane. That is my world. What's going on with me from entrepreneurship to family life and kids and being a mom and fashion and beauty and style and all of the fun things that make us us. If you are new, welcome. If you have watched before, I ask you a huge favor. Please go to my channel, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you can be notified when I have new videos. Today, the day has finally come. I'm so excited. So, I pre-ordered a special bag from Brandon Blackwood. I'm so excited. I have known about him for a little while. He is a black designer out of New York City. He does handbags and they are adorable. I love them, and I was so excited to place my order on the very last installment of his ESR totes. And these are special bags for a lot of reasons, and I was so excited to snag myself one of these. It was impossible to choose which style I wanted. He has so many colors, so many styles, and I'm going to show you what I chose. All right, let's take a look. Okay, here we are. Let's get this baby out of the bag. All right, this is the ESR tote. And I'm sure you figured it out by now. ESR stands for End Systemic Racism. All of this line of totes have the words on the front in either silver or gold hardware. And it took me forever to figure out what I wanted because I liked the gold hardware, but I loved this orange. This is the orange wax denim. It is so cool. It definitely has a waxy feel, and you can kind of see it's got like the denim bleaching striations there, and it is just so amazing. This bag is so well made. I absolutely love it. It is adorable. It has straps inside for crossbody wear, and it is just a perfect size, especially with spring and summer coming, to just like tote around with my phone and my wallet, and it's gonna be so great. I absolutely love the message and am so excited to try this bag out and take it for a spin. While we're talking handbags today and my brand new handbag, I figured I would show you guys all of the bags that I have purchased so far this year, which I thought wasn't a lot, and then I realized, what is it, May? So we're not halfway through the year, and I've 5. That's not bad. That's like one a month, so we're doing all right. So I'll walk you through them in the order in which I have purchased these this year, and just kind of tell you what I like about them and how I've been using these. So let's see. The first one I got was this. This is a adorable Coach bag, and I got this from Nordstrom, and I saw it and it was just so adorable, and then once I started looking at it, I just saw so many things that I really liked about it. Mostly what grabbed my attention was this chain. So I love the chain detail. It's got the leather, the pink leather on the inside. But what I really like about it is you can kind of pull this to make it long to wear crossbody, or you can take the two straps and make it like a shoulder or a handle bag. And I absolutely loved that. I love the really stiff leather. It's amazing. I also really like Coach's new emblem on their toggles are really cute, so I really like that as well. This is a really nice bag, and actually my stuff is in it right now because this is the bag that I was carrying yesterday. So this is, I will put exactly what the name of this bag is. I am really bad at knowing what the names of things are and remembering the styles of the bags. But this is the first one I got this year. This is the second one. This was a gift from my husband that I picked out. This is also by Coach. I got this from the Coach store and I knew I wanted a white bag. I always want a white bag all year round. I love carrying a white bag, and this one was a good size, structured. I love a structured bag, and it's definitely an off-white, which is really nice because I carried this through kind of the colder months. And this bag is really cool because it has a zipper in the middle that goes all the way around, and you can kind of really open up this pouch here. So that's pretty cool for things that you don't need to get to on a regular basis, but it does in both sides have regular compartments that you can just throw your hands in. And this also comes with a strap to do crossbody, but I don't really like carrying these kind of structured bags crossbody, so I don't ever put the straps on it. But this is the bag and I love it. I went to a fundraiser at Kate Spade, and the proceeds went to a charity that my friend is involved with, so I was so excited to help. And of course I have to buy some things so I can support. I actually ended up getting more jewelry than anything else, but this was on sale at Kate Spade and it caught my eye. I love bright, fun things. And so this is like a pink metallic wallet. I was carrying a huge wallet that was also by Kate Spade, but I carry really small handbags, and even this handbag, the Kate Spade wallet I had, was sticking out of the top. And I'm back. I realized that my memory card was full and I was just talking away and no one was there. So back to my Kate Spade wallet. I got this. I loved it because it was small, compact, and also such a fun color. This is like a shiny metallic fuchsia. I mean, this is amazing. So it fits in all my bags. I carry really small bags and I needed a wallet that fit, and this was perfect. Then this I actually just got last month. This is by Steve Madden, and these kind of crinkle baguettes are really in right now. I saw this and just kind of on a whim picked it up. What I love about this bag is you can adjust the drawstring here so you can have it the full length. It's got a cute little knot at the end, or you can pull it and make it a shoulder under the, mini under the shoulder bag or a handbag, and you can actually just kind of tie a little knot right here and that'll hold it in place. And so this is really cute for date night, going out. And I don't have a lot of black bags, if you can tell by just my purchases this year. So I saw this and I thought, Courtney, get yourself a black bag so you can have that staple. So this is the one that I chose. And then, of course, my brand new Brandon Blackwood ESR tote in wax denim orange. So these are my 2021 handbag purchases. I'm so pleased with them. It's actually really nice to see them all out because now I kind of see what I've been buying and I'll be prepared to buy some new stuff as the rest of this year goes on. Thanks again for staying tuned and for watching my handbag unboxing and 2021 handbag purchase review. I hope it gives you some inspiration. Let me know what bags you're loving these days and subscribe, ring that bell. I look forward to seeing you next time.